Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2108-9E, indicates a malfunction within the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS, of the 2023 Honda CR-V. This system is crucial for managing engine throttle operation based on driver input and engine conditions. The issue arises when there is a power supply voltage input to the powertrain control module, PCM, even though the programmed fuel injection, PGM-FI subrelay, is supposed to be turned off. This circumstance causes the PCM to identify an abnormality, leading to the storage of the DTC. The components involved are primarily located in the engine compartment, specifically the PCM and the PGM-FI subrelay. The PCM serves as the brain for engine management, communicating with various sensors and actuators to optimize performance and emissions. The Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS, is responsible for regulating air intake into the engine based on the driver's accelerator pedal position, ensuring smooth acceleration and optimal fuel efficiency. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the performance of the ETCS using signals to control engine functions. The PGM-FI subrelay helps manage the power supply to the fuel injectors and other critical components. Its location is usually within the engine compartment fuse box, making it accessible for repairs. When the ETCS fails, it directly impacts the engine's response and fuel management, possibly leading to unstable or reduced engine performance. Recognizing this malfunction is crucial for timely repairs and maintenance. The first and most straightforward cause for the DTC P2108-9E is a defective PGM-FI subrelay. This component, if malfunctioning, may cause improper voltage management, leading to the error code. Secondly, shorted wiring either in the FI sub-relay CL control circuit or the FI sub-relay out power supply could create erroneous signals to the PCM, prompting it to store the DTC. Lastly, if both the relay and wiring check out, the PCM itself may be at fault. A malfunctioning PCM can lead to multiple issues within the engine management system, requiring comprehensive testing. Each of these potential causes must be investigated to isolate the issue accurately. When DTC P2108-9E is triggered, it often manifests through various symptoms. Drivers may notice engine performance issues such as stalling, reduced acceleration, or erratic throttle response, which can compromise driving safety. Additionally, the vehicle's dashboard may illuminate warning lights. The check engine light is most common, indicating that there is an issue within the powertrain system. Throttle control problems may also arise. The vehicle may experience limited power or a lack of responsiveness when pressing the accelerator. Recognizing these symptoms early is critical for preventing more extensive damage to the engine and associated components. The first troubleshooting step requires the technician to turn the ignition to the on position. This action powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, the technician must perform the HDS ETCS TAC test using Honda Diagnostic System HDS software, which communicates with the vehicle's PCM to assess the throttle control functions. This test is essential as it evaluates whether the ETCS operates correctly under simulated conditions. If the HDS indicates that the ETCS TAC test result is not okay, this confirms that a malfunction exists, thereby duplicating the failure that led to the DTC being set. The technician should document the results for subsequent diagnosis. The second step begins with verifying the condition of the PGM-FI subrelay. The technician should conduct the PGM-FI subrelay test to ensure it functions properly. If the relay fails to operate as expected, it may need replacement. Additionally, this step will involve confirming the relay's power supply and control circuits to identify any existing faults. Performing these tests ensures that the relay can successfully manage power to the engine management components, such as the fuel injectors. If the PGM-FI subrelay proves to be in good working order, the technician must continue investigating other areas, as the issue may reside elsewhere within the system. In Step 3, the technician must conduct a thorough inspection for any shorted wires in the circuits relating to the PGM-FI subrelay. This includes focusing on the FI sub-RLY CL control circuit and FI sub-RLY out power supply. Using diagnostic equipment, the technician checks the integrity of these circuits to ensure there are no unintended connections causing faults. If any shorts are detected, they need to be repaired immediately to restore proper electrical function. A shorted wire can prevent the PCM from receiving the correct signals, leading to operational failures. These inspections are critical for determining whether the wiring is a contributing factor to the DTC being generated. The final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM, itself. If previous checks for the PGM-FI subrelay and wiring have returned normal results, the PCM is the next component to evaluate. Through advanced diagnostic techniques, such as specific PCM diagnostics, the technician can assess the functionality of the module. If diagnostics reveal that the PCM is not operating correctly, it is likely at fault and may require reprogramming or replacement. This step is essential because a properly functioning PCM is crucial for effective engine management and performance. By thoroughly assessing the PCM, the technician ensures that all potential causes for the DTC are considered. After conducting all necessary repairs or component replacements, the technician must verify that the DTC has been effectively addressed. This involves clearing the stored DTC from the PCM and running the HDS ETCS TAC test again to ensure the system operates correctly. It's important to verify that the test returns an OK result, indicating that the ETCS is functioning as intended and that the throttle control system is stable. Normal operation of the vehicle should also be confirmed through a test drive. This final verification helps prevent future issues and ensures that the vehicle meets performance standards, confirming that the repairs have resolved the initial malfunction. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues related to the electronic throttle control system. Regular inspections of wiring and connectors can catch potential short circuits or corrosion before they escalate into larger problems. It's also critical to replace any faulty components, such as the PGM-FI subrelay, at the first sign of malfunction. Keeping the PCM in good health is equally essential, so routine diagnostics should be part of the vehicle's maintenance schedule. This involves updating the PCM software as needed and ensuring it interacts accurately with other engine components. By adhering to these preventive measures, vehicle owners can minimize the risk of experiencing DTC P2108-9E in the future. In summary, the DTC P2108-9E indicates an issue with Honda's Electronic Throttle Control System, necessitating a thorough diagnostic approach. Understanding the nature of this error and the importance of components like the PGM-FI subrelay and PCM is pivotal for effective troubleshooting. Following the outlined steps methodically ensures that potential causes are systematically addressed, increasing the likelihood of a successful resolution. Finally, incorporating preventive maintenance into regular vehicle care can help mitigate this issue from arising again, ultimately contributing to the overall longevity and efficiency of the vehicle. Staying ahead of potential problems not only protects the vehicle's performance, but also enhances safety for the driver and passengers. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.